Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, April 1st, and I just wanted to show a few charts that did well today. Trading fully automated on the Autotrader. First up is the 500 tick, and this has been profitable every day this week. This one is using our adaptive moving average filter, and it has a goal of 1,020. I've adjusted the goals a couple of times, I think, on this one, ultimately raising it to 1,020, but it's got the same trade that it had yesterday and the day before, and that is the adaptive moving average turning, in this case, red to blue. The other trades were shorts prior to this, but this turned red to blue, and there is a 20 tick pullback. I think I changed it from 15 to 20, and so that got filled. You can see the close of the bar here and the pullback, and then its target is 204 ticks, which is 1,020. So obviously it had some slippage as we enter a market order when we exit the trade. So this hit its goal in a single trade right off the open, and trading was finished in 10 minutes. Okay, this is a 987 Heikin-Ashi, and you got a similar setup here. The adaptive moving average changing from red to blue. I think, yeah, the adaptive moving average filter is also used on this one. You can see it here, and the goal on this one is also 1,020 and a 15 tick pullback, so it easily got filled here. And you can kind of see the pullback to the 60, and then the adaptive moving average changing, and that filtered the trade. And there was more to go here, obviously. So volatility still remains larger than normal. So this hit its goal of 1,020. So it had a couple of ticks of slippage, but still closed over 1,000, all in a single trade. So trading was finished on this one. Looks like we went short about 10 minutes after 10 a.m. and the trade closed around 10 minutes to 11, so about 50 minutes in this trade. Okay, here's a 987 tick. Same thing, but different settings here. We are not using precision MA filter. It's set to 0 here, and it's not using any filters actually. It's just trading, opening at 9:30, starting at 9:30, and straight trades management. So you can kind of see the effect of the filters here. This also has different money management. I forgot to expand the profit targets. So had I expanded this from 100 to 200, it would have hit its target on this first trade here. But instead, the first target was like $500. So you can see it made 500 in equity here, and then it took a loser, and then hit its target again, and then took a loser, and then hit its target again here, and ultimately hit its goal. So this could be better money management here, and it would have probably hit its target right here on this first swing. But it's also a limit order with a 20 tick pullback. Okay, the NASDAQ on a 1597 tick Heikin-Ashi did 625, and the goal on this is 1,000. It's a limit order with a 20 tick pullback, and once again, I think because of this loser, the 200 tick target is $1,000. It didn't have enough to make it here. There was plenty to go here. So again, you know, trailing a stop or different money management might have improved the results here, but this got out because it hit its target, not because it was stopped out. So anyway, still finished the day with a good positive result of 625. Okay, this is another 987 tick chart, also using an adaptive moving average, but it starts trading at 2 p.m. and this is using the adaptive moving average. And so it started off with a loser right here. There was a loser here. And then it went short here. There's a 25 tick pullback. And I have a $5,000 goal here. That's really swinging for the fences. Anyway, another loser here. And then finally, this really large winner came back from minus 400 to plus 860. So that was about 1,200 on a single trade. And then there was one small winner here and finished at 1120. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a 987 tick chart. First trade had much more than 350 that it ended up with, but just money management didn't cut it. And a couple of losers, and then came back with this really nice winner, and that brought it up to its goal of 1020. So 987 tick on the ES. There were a couple of losers today. This 987 tick is using an adaptive MA and a limit pullback. And so anyway, this one only lost 505 for the day.